In this video, we are going to talk about a potential entry of a new phone company to Boost Mobile called OnePlus. It's not an official thing yet, but definitely in verbal conversation. Boost Mobile mostly relies on LG and Motorola phones, so let's see where OnePlus is going to stand. In my point of view, OnePlus is going to take over this part of LG in Boost Mobile. To put some weight to my words, I have two OnePlus phones to show you guys. OnePlus Nord N10 5G, OnePlus Nord N100. This is 4G. So today we are going to unbox this phone and going to talk about the specifications, and I hope you like this video, so stay connected till end. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and let's talk about Nord N10 5G first. This is first 5G phone from OnePlus. Unlocked version of this phone costs you around $300, but it will be on a promo obviously once launched in Boost Mobile, and for sure this will be a budget-friendly 5G device. So box comes with N10 5G phone, Type-C charging cable, Warp 30T fast charger, which gives you power of a whole day if you charge it only 30 minutes. .49 Full HD display with 90 Hz frequency as compared to 60 Hz standard display, which gives you smooth touch while you are browsing the phone. Comes with 4300 mAh battery with fast charging compatibility. Qualcomm Snapdragon 690 processor. Comes with 128 GB built-in memory, which allows you to save tons of data, and it has SD card slot in case you want to increase the memory. Oxygen operating system based on Android 10. Glossy back cover, which makes this phone extra shiny. Take meticulous photos and videos with 64 megapixels main camera. Quad camera system allows you to take wide angle photos and shows you the texture of photos at macro level. Let's talk about N100 OnePlus. This phone is $180 unlocked version, so let's see with what promotion Boost Mobile comes with it. This is 4G phone. Screen is slightly bigger than the N10 5G. This one has 6.52 inch HD display with 90 Hz frequency. Battery also bigger in this phone. This one has 5000 milliamps as compared to 4300 milliamps. Snapdragon 460 processor as compared to 690 of N10 5G. Android is same in both phones, 10. Built-in memory in this phone is 64 GB as compared to 128 GB of N10 5G. Back cover is matte finished as compared to glossy in N10. Triple camera system with 13 megapixels main camera as compared to 64 megapixels main camera. N10 5G and N100 both have dual stereo speakers. So enjoy your movies on that, but N10 5G sounds better as compared to N100. Both phones have fingerprint scanner. So that's all. If you guys have watched my video till now, so please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can get my upcoming video. I will let you guys know once Boost Mobile launches this phone and whatever promotion comes with it. So till now, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.